Hey guys, today I'm going to be making a video on how to install skid steer bucket side cutters. This bucket in the video I'm using is a JCB bucket that comes with the Teleskid stock. But this should work for any bucket with the 3-hole design. The only thing you got to look out for is make sure this part here will line up. I'm not sure, I can't guarantee that that is the same for any ever bucket, because all buckets have at least the ones I know of, have bolt-on side cutter or bolt-on cutting edges. And basically most buckets I've seen online have this universal cutout here on the bucket and the 3 holes. So this should fit any bucket you have. I can't guarantee that, but it should. I mean, I was surprised it even fit mine. But these side cutters are the Berlin skid steer side cutters. I bought them on skidsteersolutions.com. I paid $200 for them. They're a little pricey, but the fitment's great and it comes with the hardware. I mean, you can't go wrong there with the hardware, and it just protects your bucket edge from wearing out. So that one's installed, but I'll be showing you how to install this one with the hardware and the nuts. And the side cutter is really well built. I'm not exactly sure what type of metal this is, but it's pretty heavy. I'd say this is probably about 10 pounds, maybe a little more. And basically all you'll need is you won't need to hold this side, because the side cutter will do it for you, because they're carriage bolts. And all you'll need to put them on is you slide it through the hole on the bucket while holding the side cutter, and then you screw these nuts on. These nuts are 24 millimeter metric, and that's it. Alright, I'll cut to the installation. Alright guys, so now I'm going to show you the installation part of installing the side cutters on the bucket, so let's get to it. It's a very simple process. All you do is take the side cutter, and you got your 3 bolts here, and you'll see the 3 holes on the bucket. So you take the side cutter here, line it up on the side of the bucket, and then you take your 3 bolts, put one in, make sure they line up with the square holes in the side cutter, otherwise you can't tighten it well. And then the 3rd one. Then take your nuts, just hand tighten them. Remember, these are 24 millimeter. Make sure they're tight enough so it's evenly spread. Get them tight as you can. And then you can either take a ratchet or a impact wrench like this one. This is a DeWalt. So just put the socket on there, tighten it up. There's no torque spec or anything, but tight enough is about good. Alright guys, there you have it. That's how you install side cutters on a skid steer bucket. Have a good day.